OQR. Side ratio are same. OB by BQ equal to OC by CR. BC is parallel to QR by converse of BPT. I already told you in this chapter, sorry, in this exercise, use of these both theorem. Understood? With the help of these two theorem, you have to find out remaining questions. Next is this. Next is this. Prove that line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to the another side and bisect the third side. Recall that you have proved in class 9th. This you have done in the chapter number congruence, chapter number 7, I think, in that class, or what it may be, but chapter name is triangles. Congruency you are doing. So in that case also. So this theorem you have done. What you have done? Midpoint theorem. What's its name? Midpoint theorem. What's its name? Midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem. Now you have to prove what? Midpoint theorem with the help of BPT. With the help of BPT. This, which is proof given in 9th class, that I can tell later on. But first I will tell according to this question. So by using BPT I will use. So it's meaning prove that the line drawn through the midpoint. So it's meaning we are having a triangle. We are having a triangle ABC. Understood? And E is the midpoint of AB. And we have drawn, this is the F. Understood? We have to prove F is also the midpoint of AC. If E is the midpoint of AB, then F is also midpoint of AC. Here EF is parallel to this. EF is parallel to this. So I can write it. First we write given. What's given? In triangle ABC, AE equal to EB is the midpoint and EF is parallel to BC. This given to us. Then to prove, what you have to prove? What you have to prove? You have to prove F is also the midpoint of AC, or AF equal to FC. This you have to prove. This is the midpoint theorem. So proof I can write here. So much simple become after by using BPT. What's given? EF is parallel to BC. What's its meaning? If EF is parallel to BC, then side are in the same ratio. It's meaning therefore AE by EB is equal to AF by FC. Understood? This is saying BPT. Saying or not saying? So, if these are equal, but AE by EB equal to 1 because A equal to EB, which is written here. Yes or no? So now, therefore this also equal, therefore AF by FC, this is equal to also 1. So AF equal to FC, therefore F is the midpoint of AC. This is the proof of midpoint theorem with the help of